Hello and welcome back everybody. It's your old man Mark Bryce, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and take a look at this LED license plate light that I got online. I'll put the link below, but I first want to confirm that this fits. I want to open this up, take a look at it, see if nothing's broken. I can't remember how much I paid for this, but I believe any light is better than the factory OEM light. So let's go ahead and take a look at how the OEMs look at night. And now we're back. Now let's take a look at this. It says high brightness, okay, energy saving. Well, they're waterproof, okay. Product description, voltage, I see there. Okay, perfect. The color temperature is 6K. That is what I was concerned about. I didn't want to have it too blue, but this has a little light hint of blue. That's fine. It matches the temperature color in the interior that I have installed the LEDs. So let's go ahead and open this up. Very light box. It is very light. Okay. I'm assuming L for left. Let's leave that there. Okay, there we go. That's all it is, those little two guys. Okay, cool. So now let's go ahead and go to the back of the vehicle, and let's remove the ugly old factory OEM license plate lights. All right, so the first things first, let's go ahead and take a look at the factory OEM license plate lights. And right here, can I take my finger and just pry it open? No, I cannot. There we go. That's all you need to do. And it's out. So now let me go ahead and bring the camera much closer so we can go ahead and remove the other one. All right, so there's a better angle here. Just take your flathead and stick it in between that little wedge. And then just apply pressure and it'll come straight down. All right, that's all you need to do. Now, I already removed the other one. I'm gonna go ahead and do this, but I'm holding the camera with my right hand when I should be holding it with my left. There we go. Oops. See? That's all you need to do. I have it on there. So you put your flathead in between that little gap, and this is what you're trying to pry out. And that's about it. All right. So if you can see, there's a tab right here and right here. Take your flathead and just wiggle it out. Once you wiggle it out, you're able to take it out. Hopefully you're catching this. Flathead in here and just twist it so then this can expand out like that. Pops out easily. The right one is the new one. The left one is the old LED. Look at the difference. Big, big difference. So let me go ahead and remove the old one now, the left one. Okay. 1, 2. That's all you gotta do. All right, so now you're gonna go ahead and put in the new LED for your license plate light. Go ahead and grab the old, well, not the old, but the plug here on my left hand. Make sure that the tab here is on the right, that's facing that little hole or that little gap that you see on top, which is right there. All right, there we go. Now let's go ahead, pull the car out, and let's see how it looks at night. All right, so everything's turned off. I'm gonna go in the back, turn off this light now. Okay, and now I'm going to unlock the doors so you can see how bright these are. Wow. Wow. Big difference. Big. Huge. Look at that. Yeah, a lot brighter. I forgot how much I paid. I have to look in my listing how much I paid, but either way, I didn't pay much. I want to say I paid about 15 bucks for these. All right, everyone. Hopefully you learned something, and if you did, please hit that like button. And if you like watching my videos, please subscribe, because I have a lot more Jeep content coming. I got stuff in the interior, I got stuff in the exterior that's coming up. I know we're already hitting the winter of 2023 to 24, but by the springtime, I'm gonna have a lot more things coming in. All right, everyone, catch you to the next one. That is bright.